motherfuckers will burn your face off. Melt it. Goddamn, keep coming!
Yeah.
Well, it's coming from someone that's broke a lot of shit.
Hey, Zach! Yep. He don't go driver's no fly.
Yeah, he's gonna have to drive into it, I think.
On for
Free wheel motion.
No, god damn it, go driver.
Where's that at?
Bo Smith.
We haven't done that shit.
We ain't done that for a while. Well, it's probably because we kept getting reheats.
Yeah,
So
true
we
story.
quit 'em.
They start recognizing our